Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what you're going to need is your white foam core sheet. You're also going to need your 4 balsa wood strips. Each one of the strips is numbered, and it also tells you where to tape. And then you also need to have a roll of tape. So the way you put together the game field is you lay out the white foam core sheet first, and then all you're going to do is use the hooks with the numbers. You're going to align the number with the hook to the screw with the number that's attached to it. So in this case, we're going to take balsa wood number 1, and we're going to just simply hook it to balsa wood number 1, noticing that the tape here sign is always pointing out. And you're going to do this going all around the game field. So I'm going to connect number 1 to 1, and then here I'm going to connect number 2 to number 2 here. Again, making sure that the tape here sign is being read outwards on all sides. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So 3 goes to screw number 3. And then 4 goes to balsa wood number 4. And all you do is simply lay it out on top of the game field, just making sure that it's edge to edge on all sides. Just making sure that the hooks are still connected. Making sure that the edges are all aligned. All the tape here is all read outwards. And then you're going to take your tape, take a strip, pick up the edge, pick up one edge, and you're going to tape, where it says tape here, you're going to tape both the balsa wood to the foam core edge. And that's it. And you do this on all sides. Just make sure that you capture the foam core down at the bottom. And all it's going to do is just sit on top, and the tape usually just helps it to stay in place. And now you've got your game field in place and ready to go. So now you place your jacks anywhere randomly along the game field, and you place your Sphero ball, and you're ready to go. When it's time to dismantle, then all you do is just remove the tape from the edges. Discard the tape in the trash, and then just unhook all of the edges from the screws. And then just simply put together the balsa wood pieces. And then roll up the foam core sheet. and then you can ship it back into the box provided.